Today, I am going to take you on Cloud 9, literally. A project that boasts of unrivaled set of amenities, that too in the heart of the city near Shivranjani in Ahmedabad. The configuration of these apartments are so perfect that it will give you instant gratification without breaking into your bank. My name is Anand Chauksy, Managing Director of the Real Estate Connect, where clients' interest is the number one priority. Cloud9 is being developed by Vivan Infrastructure and Adore Group, the developers that are committed to get you the best of real estate at brilliant locations in Ahmedabad. This ground plus 14 stories project is spread over 19,000 square yards in the locality where a small piece of land is considered to be gold. Cloud9 is designed by a very renowned architect, Mr. Apurva Amin, and the layout is very smartly designed with no wastage of space and keeping your family's needs in mind. Let's elevate to Cloud 9. It has started raining and it's so beautiful out here. There are 8 towers in total with a mix of 3 BHK and 2 different types of 4 BHK units. All towers have a service elevator over and above the dedicated members and guests elevator. 3 BHK units is 2,295 square feet super built up area. There is a choice of 4 BHK which is 2,943 square feet and a bigger one which has domestic staff quarters attached to the unit which is 3,447 square feet super built up area. Let's go and check out the sample units of 3 BHK and 4 BHK apartments. 3 BHK unit is a very well designed and luxurious size in this segment. It has a private foyer and a vestibule landing in the apartment which is a very good feature for this size. When you enter the apartment, the drawing room is very warm and welcoming. The kitchen is 8 by 12 feet with a dining area of 10 by 11 feet right outside the kitchen and overlooking a huge 5 by 11 feet veranda. There are 2 very good sized bedrooms of almost 12 by 15 feet with attached toilets. The third bedroom is away from the other 2 bedrooms so that your family gets privacy from the guests staying in that room. The common toilets next to the third bedroom can be converted into an attached toilet as well. The apartment also has a puja room, storeroom and a washyard. Now let me take you to the sample apartment that is of 3,447 square feet, 4 BHK with domestic staff quarters. The elevator opens into your private foyer which is highly desirable feature in high-end apartments but usually seen in 5,000 plus square feet units. When you enter, you have this adequate size vestibule and then you have the drawing room which is almost 13 by 20 feet. Big enough for your entire family to chill and watch Netflix movies. Adjacent to the drawing room, there is this luxurious sized dining area of 11 by 15 feet which has a very spacious kitchen on one side and the big veranda on the other side. Ladies of this house would love the size of the kitchen. The wash and the store next to the kitchen is also very spacious. At the end of the unit, there are 3 bedrooms all with the attached toilet and are of very comfortable size. The master bedroom is almost 12 by 17 feet which is desirable for this segment and other master bedroom is also of the same size almost. The third bedroom is slightly smaller but still very roomy. Very smartly, the fourth bedroom that mostly will be used as a guest room or a home office is placed away from these 3 bedrooms and close to the entrance to maintain the solitude. It can also be opened up and merged with the drawing room to make it a gigantic entertainment area with 2 different sitting arrangements. As I mentioned, this unit comes with attached domestic staff quarters for your convenience. The third configuration of the apartment is a little smaller size 4 BHK unit in which all the rooms and common areas are slightly smaller than this larger unit and no domestic staff quarters with it. A lot of families do not need it. Overall, these 3 configurations are very apt for people who are looking for an upgrade from their current 2 or 3 BHK units and do not want to cross SG highway. Now let me talk about the common amenities in the building which is second to none in this locality. The central garden area is colossal. 35,000 square feet of this entire area is no vehicle zone for the safety of your children and peaceful time when you are there. there is a swimming pool with a cafe and a deck right in the corner. Indoor games facilities will be provided to rejuvenate your mind. A multi-purpose hall will be made for your celebrations and parties. A provision of library is there and also a dedicated area for senior citizens sit out. Yoga room and gymnasium will also be created to keep your mind and body healthy. Mini home theater for those blockbuster movie times with your family and friends. Children play area are also demarcated. Toddler's pool with a wooden deck will be made for those fun moments, and a daycare center will be created to help those working parents. Laundry services, car wash facilities, CCTV surveillance, and many more facilities will also be provided. As if all this was not enough, to make the owners feel special, the bedrooms and living areas come with air conditioners pre-installed. Italian marble flooring is provided in the drawing room, dining area, and the kitchen. And the master bedroom comes with wooden flooring. A modular kitchen with chimney is also standard in both 3 and 4 BHK units. Overall, Cloud9 is a project that makes your family feel satisfied with all the needs, and that too without compromising on the locality. Between Nehru Nagar and Shivranjani, this project is close to schools, shopping, hospital, grocery stores, and all the daily necessities, yet very close to SG Road. If you follow Jainism, it cannot get better, as Jain Derasar is right outside the main gate of the society. I personally invite you to visit this project. When it comes to pricing and payment plans, I will customize it to suit your needs so that you can own the beautiful place stress-free. Do message me or call me to schedule your visit. Please like and share this video, and do put your comments. Thank you.